Today, I'm showing you how to clear cache in Google Chrome to fix website access problems and speed up your browser. Let's get started. Why clear cache? Sometimes when accessing websites, you face loading issues or errors. Clearing Chrome's cache often fixes these problems, yet many people don't do it regularly. It's simple and makes a big difference. Step 1. Open Chrome settings. Open Google Chrome and click the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. Tap on Settings, then click Privacy and Security on the left sidebar. Then click Delete Browsing Data. A new window will open with clearing options. Step 2. Select Time Range. At the top, you'll see a time range dropdown. You can choose last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, all time. For the best results, select all time to clear everything. If you only want to clear recent data, choose a shorter time range. Step 4. Select what to clear. You'll see multiple checkboxes like browsing history, cookies and other site data, and cached images and files. If you don't want to delete your browsing history, uncheck that box. However, definitely keep cookies and other site data and cached images and files checked. These are what cause most website issues. Step 5. Clear the data. Once you've made your selections, click Clear Data at the bottom right. Chrome will process the deletion. This may take a few seconds depending on how much data needs to be cleared. You might see it cleared hundreds of megabytes or even gigabytes of cached data. Step 6. Restart Chrome. After clearing is complete, close Google Chrome completely and reopen it. This ensures all changes take effect. Step 7. Test your websites. Now try accessing the websites that were giving you problems. They should load properly and faster than before. Benefits of clearing cache. Clearing cache not only fixes website loading issues, but also frees up storage space on your computer and improves Chrome's overall performance. Consider doing this monthly for optimal browser performance. And that's it. You've successfully cleared cache in Google Chrome and should now have a faster, more responsive browser.